So mortgage rates, media outlets and headlines. The headlines frustrate the hell out of me. I've just seen this article, and in this video I'm going to break down why that's terrible advice and why you maybe should consider buying now. Alright, so I was reading some articles, read this headline, and it really frustrated me. Hold off buying a home, it says. Mortgage rates cross 7% threshold for the first time since December due to stubborn inflation, but experts insist they will come down later in the year, right? Subnote, experts urge prospective buyers to wait until later in the year to buy a home. Wrong, poor advice. I'm going to break down for 3 reasons in this video why that's bad advice and you really should consider buying now. So reason number 1, you've got a choice to make. Do you want to pay a higher interest rate or do you want to pay a higher purchase price? You can't have both. You can't have a low interest rate and a low purchase price. Because as soon as rates come down, demand's going to go up. Affordability, people being able to buy, is going to go up. So that means demand goes up, which means prices are going to go up. With higher interest rates, less demand, less people able to buy, lower prices. So you've really got to ask yourself, would you rather pay a high interest rate but buy at a lower figure, or a low interest rate and buy at a higher figure? My view, what I would do, I'll be buying now while demand is at its lowest and you could get a better purchase price and refinance. We'll come on to that in a minute. So let me know in the comments below, what would you do? Would you rather buy now at a higher interest rate and a lower purchase price, or the other way around? Drop a comment below, let me know, I'd be interested to know. Alright, so reason number 2, what if the perfect property comes up now? It's alright waiting until the end of the year, but if the property that suits your requirements is available now, you need to move on it because your requirements are matched and you buy the house. If you wait until the end of the year when rates come down, 1, that house won't be available, most likely, and 2, you'll have more competition. Let me go on to that next. So reason number 3, a very experienced property investor said this to me: buy now, refinance later. What that means is, buy now, don't tie yourself into a long fixed term mortgage, maybe a 2-year mortgage, and refinance in 2 years when those rates do come down. That way, you get the property you want now, you probably buy it at a lower purchase price because interest rates are higher, demand's lower, price will be lower, and then when the rates come down, you've already got the property, so you refinance when rates come down. Obviously, it's important to understand here that you need to be able to afford the current interest rate, and if you've got a really good sized deposit, you're borrowing not a huge amount of money, now I think is the perfect time to buy. Buy and wait, don't wait to buy. That's generally the saying that people throw around, and that's all well and good if you can afford to buy now. If you really can't afford it, I get it, you've got to wait until the rates come down. You maybe will be buying at a higher purchase price, but that's okay because the interest rate means you can afford it and you're financing it over a long period of time, so maybe it all comes out in the wash. But I just wanted to do just a quick video on that blanket advice around don't buy now, wait, can be extremely poor advice. So you've got to think deeper, think about all the situations that could arise, and I'm 100% sure that as soon as rates start coming down, demand's going to go up, prices are going to go up, we're back into the crazy cycle. Hope that's helpful. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, it really helps us. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that jazz, and I'll see you on the next one.